pumpkin dango.
Okay, we're here in Goleudy in the Pumpkin Dango workshop. So we're just cooking the sauce. What did you put in there again?
So we got garlic, gojugang chili paste.
Yeah.
And soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Okay. So this is the sauce for this.
Yes.
What is this?
Pumpkin dango
Pumpkin dango
with glutinous rice and pumpkin.
and cumin.
And
And
this
cumin.
one got
Yeah,
cumin, yeah.
This one doesn't have any salt, no salt at all, and we didn't put any salt there apart from
The soy sauce.
the soy sauce. Yeah.
Rice soy sauce.
Okay. Smells lovely. So these pumpkin dangos, you know that it's ready. We're just boiling them. When the dangos are floating,
Means they're ready.
it means they're ready. So do you think that's ready now? Some of them are floating. Yeah.
So, yes, for those who are floating, yeah, you need
The
to take them
floating, the ones that are floating, gonna scoop them out and put them over there so that it's cooking ready. Scoop them out. They look nice. They're shaped like little mini pumpkin. So they have that. We used a string to make this shape. Yeah, it's kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like we're just putting some. Sorry, what's your name?
leeks. Satonji.
Setonji is putting some stock
Leeks.
from the leeks.
The green of the leeks.
Green
But
of the leeks.
we usually do it with matcha powder and glutinous rice.
Oh,
So
okay.
it has
Okay.
this, so we can eat all of it.
Yeah,
nicely.
but we can still eat the leek,
Yeah,
right?
you can eat the leeks, but
Yeah.
it's it's going to be a different texture.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Cool.
The vegetables we blanched the carrot and leeks in the same water that we cooked pumpkin dango. And it's like, so now we're gonna cook the pasta
Okay.
in the same water because it has all the flavors of the vegetables
Right.
and the salt,
Okay.
so it's gonna be nice. These are actually chickpea pasta, so they're gluten free.
Oh, they're chickpea pasta.
Yeah.
Yeah. The sauce
So
is
we're gonna
cooking
make
nicely.
yeah. We're gonna have a kind of like a thick but not too thick sauce.
Okay. Add a bit of water.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's smelling chili.
Mm-hmm.
The sauce is smelling chili.
Yes.
Ooh. Ah. Okay, I have a bit of a mini version of the sauce because I don't like spicy food so much. So I only put a little bit of that's what you call that? Gojugang. Soy sauce, garlic, a bit of oil, and I put a bit of and a bit of honey on this one. So I'm not quite sure how this is going to turn out. And CJ is doing the pumpkin for the pasta. Okay, we put some olive oil in here and garlic. And these are the pumpkins. Alright, we put a bit of seasoning on the pumpkin.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper coming up. Oh, there's the chef. That's our chef. So, coming back.
Yes, so we've added the bouillon, so after that it's like slightly like pan fried. See, we add a bit of bouillon and water.
Yeah.
Like this. And now we can add the spinach.
Oh, spinach.
Yes. We're just going to cover it for and simmer for about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And once this will be done, I mean, if you like spinach, you can put as much as you want.
Yeah.
Really. It will reduce anyway.
Okay.
Okay. And now we're adding our little twist of like blanched carrot and leeks to the pot. Not too much because it was.
Not too much.
Yeah,
okay.
not too much because there's, I mean, to be like
That's
to balance.
Oh, okay.
To balance the amount of pumpkin we've got.
Oh, okay.
To like yes, the amount of pasta as well.
Right.
Because
Okay.
now we're gonna
Now we're gonna mix the pasta.
Yeah, we're gonna mix the pasta in it. And same, you know, we can't put so much. I mean, there.
Okay.
You can put a little bit.
Oh, put all of it.
Yeah.
Right, he's doing all the cooking and I'm just doing videoing.
Well, yeah, exactly. So you can do it at home.
So I can do it at home, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I'll be able to do all this because I'm recording it, so I've got a video.
Yeah.
And I've got a memory of our cooking.
Right.
Sorry, cream.
Yeah, we want to be a bit naughty, so the recipe doesn't normally have cream, but I think a bit of cream would be nice.
Oh, love.
All right.
That's love.
Nice.
I'm getting hungry already.
Yes.
Okay.
Cool.
So mix.
Yeah.
Okay, now while the pasta is cooking, just gonna...
You know, sprinkle the sauce on top.
This is the spicy one.
Yes. Yeah. We would normally use like chopsticks or a spoon to eat. Like.
Right, okay. It's looking lovely already. And for the not spicy one, yeah, this has got a different.
It's good. Looks good too.
Yeah. This has
this
got
will be nice.
jam. It's not very spicy.
I'm gonna mix both of them to see.
To see what it's like. I'm pretty sure it'll be delicious. You're gonna put everything here. Yeah. So this is the not there.
No,
Oh,
there.
just here.
Just put,
okay,
oh yeah,
cool.
this is nice.
Yeah, that would be delicious.
Ooh.
There we go.
Lovely.
Wow. Okay, this is our dish, and what's this called again?
So that's the pumpkin pasta.
Pumpkin pasta.
Yeah.
And this is?
And this is pumpkin dango.
Pumpkin dango with spicy sauce.
With Gojugang chili paste.
Chili paste. There we
Korean
go. Yeah.
Gojugang.
And this one is less of that, but I've added
It's
a bit
got
of
honey, jam.
honey and jam.
They smell amazing.
Yeah, so yeah, it's ready. Let's have
And
food.
this is our chef.
Yeah.
Hello, hi, I'm Setonji.
And this is me. And this is Kelly,
Cheers, Mary.
the organizer. Thank you so much for hosting this.
Yes.
And thank you for
Setonji.
Setonji.
Thank you.
For teaching us how to cook this. And we will enjoy the food. Thank you. Anything else to say, darling? No? This actually tasted delicious. So the finishing touches of this dish, this pasta, I've just sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. And yeah, delicious.